Hey everyone, uh, in this video, I'll show you how to fix QuickBooks sync errors in just a few minutes. Yeah, if your data isn't syncing between QuickBooks and your bank or other accounts, it can be really frustrating, especially when you rely on up-to-date financial information, but most of the time it's actually a simple fix once you check a few key things. So first, verify your internet connection. Uh, QuickBooks needs a stable connection to sync data properly, so a slow or intermittent network can cause errors. Next, log into your bank or connected account directly. Yeah, this confirms that your account is active and there are no alerts, holds, or security checks that might block syncing. After that, refresh the connection in QuickBooks. uh, Go to the banking or sync section and manually update the connection to force a sync. Also, check for pending transactions. Sometimes uh, uncleared or incomplete transactions can cause syncing conflicts and errors. And yeah, make sure your QuickBooks software is fully updated. Updates fix bugs and improve data synchronization, which often resolves these issues. Finally, if the problem continues, disconnect and reconnect your accounts or use the QuickBooks Tool Hub to troubleshoot automatically. Most of the time, these steps will resolve sync errors and get your data up to date without any hassle. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.